misfit because invention and innovation are two different things. But what is meant is probably innovative problem solving. So that is the TRIZ. Well, innovation is not invention. Innovation does not mean discovery. Discovery is something else. Discovery can happen by chance. Innovation does not happen by chance. Okay. And innovation has to be focused. Innovation has to be result oriented, and either it should preempt a problem or it should resolve the problem, or it is basically driven by some improvement over the existing scenario. So something should improve, then only you can say that you have done innovation. Okay. Uh, Innovation is not getting somewhere by random hit and trial. Random hit and trial is hit and trial. So innovation has to be that much more result oriented. It has to be that much more focused and improvement driven. Innovation is basically a new application of a working idea or concept in some other segment. For example, if something has been very successful in medical, if you can apply the same concept in your engineering, mechanical engineering, that becomes innovation. So basis of trying an innovation is if some idea has worked elsewhere in many situations, there are higher chances that it would as well work here in your context. So that is what, but possible. I mean, we can't wait for a brilliant idea to come, some brainwave to come and then we do something. We have to do something anyway. So we can't wait for that. By some chance trigger, some idea will come and we will do it. It does not work like that in industry. Most companies have schemes like suggestion box scheme, where we systematically invite, evaluate, and reward brilliant ideas. But we have seen many of the suggestion box presentations. They tend to be, ideas tend to be very repetitive. They pertain to mostly C class item, or they have lopsided one-dimensional focus, and many times they are not even doable. So this is what tends to happen. Improvement drives are undertaken by several managements, but they work very simplistically in isolation. So some and brilliant ideas for innovation are difficult to come because performance improvements many times are mechanically pursued. Most of us have performance management system which are driven by red, green, yellow, and signal notation, and we tend to mechanically pursue improvement with Excel sheet vision. And running an organization with Excel sheet vision amounts to driving a car with by looking at dashboard only. Of course, we have to see dashboard, but then we can't be driving looking at dashboard all the time. Just as we can't be driving looking at rear view mirror all the time. So that is what tends to happen. Many times we follow consultants, big consultants, and there are a lot of templates, there are a lot of procedures, processes, and systems. They templates and systems and these things kill creativity, and they make the people to act mechanically, and out of the box thinking does not come with this kind of approach. You can follow a procedure and get somewhere, but then there is no brilliant idea which will come like that. Altshuler was working as a clerk, maybe in a patent's office in Moscow in USSR, or erstwhile USSR. So because he was working in patent's office, where all the inventions, all the innovations were being filed for patent, he had the opportunity to go through all of them. And when he studied several of them, idea day in, day out, he used to actually scrutinize those things for patent. So he made a methodology that he believed that any problem, any engineering problem, to be more specific, mechanical engineering problem, but it applies to any problem. Okay, any problem where innovation is applied, basically, the problem comes because of conflict of two parameters. Okay, there are two contradictions. Always, as a designer, you struggle between two parameters, and you have to do the tightrope balancing. You have to balance two conflicting parameters. That is what we call as design. Okay, so For example, you take one parameter as mass, one parameter as velocity. So mass and velocity, mass of vehicle and velocity of the vehicle. You have to balance between the two. If you increase the mass, the velocity suffers. If you have to increase the velocity, mass must be lower. Okay. So any problem that you see, he had a thought process that he always saw it with a prism of breaking it into two conflicting parameters. Okay. So, and then what he did, that any new innovation which came to him, he listed down what were the two conflicting parameters which have led to this innovation, and then what was the innovation. Okay, what technical improvement, in which sector the technical improvement was applied, how it was applied, what was the principle which was used. So he made a statistics, an empirical database, where he listed down the conflicting parameters, and then statistically he could found that if these are the two conflicting parameters, the solutions are found in this area. Okay. Now, Altshuler compiled the patent data for ideas which were known to be successful. He worked back on problem statement which were thought to be solved by ideas which were being patented. And based on assumption that any optimal design would compromise on two conflicting engineering parameters, he made a list of 39 parameters out of the database that he had. Okay. And all problem statements were classed as conflict of any two parameters. So he developed a 39 by 39 contradiction matrix with rows and columns. Okay. And he listed some principles which were the solutions. So I will show you briefly. Basically, all the problems are resolved into contradiction matrix. Let us say you are talking of this cell. So between item number 5, that is area of an object or volume of moving object, your solution would be serial number 7, serial number 14, serial number 4, or serial number 17. So maximum 4 solutions are given, which are higher probability. So chances are, if you look here, you will get your solution and it will work also, because it has worked in majority of the cases in the other problems which were in the similar class. So it is likely to work in your thing also. Now this is the way which will give you a faster convergence.